All right, guys, so I want to walk you through how to reset or clear the cache on YouTube on your TV. So I have two different ways to do this. One is going to be through Chromecast. Steps are a little bit different. And the other is going to be on the actual Samsung TV. Now to do this, we open up the Chromecast. We'll go back to the home. Now, a lot of these apps or these streaming devices are going to be very similar process. Okay, you're going to go over to your settings. And then you're going to scroll down to apps. So you're going to find where the apps are. And in this case, you're going to see all apps. You're going to scroll down and then you're going to find your YouTube. In the YouTube section, you're going to hit uninstall. So this is how you, I'm sorry, that's wrong. Clear cache, that's one, clear cache. So hit clear cache, hit OK, boom, cache is cleared. Now, Samsung, this is also a Samsung TV, their process is a little bit different. Now to clear your cache on the newer Samsung, if your menu looks like this, scroll all the way over to support. And we're going to go to device care. It's checking our device. And then here, go down to manage storage. Come on, there we go. Scroll over to YouTube, view details, and then clear cache right there. Now my cache is already at 0, so it's grayed out. If you're having issues with your YouTube and this doesn't work, restart your TV, restart the app, unplug the TV from the wall for 60 seconds. Over 60 seconds, let the electricity dissipate, and that should get you back up and running. So I hope this helps. If it does, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.